Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question taken from JEE Main exam of 2022. The question is based on the reaction forces acting on a ladder placed on the floor and leaning against a smooth vertical wall. Read the question carefully. The names of points A, B, C are not marked in the question. We have done it for better understanding. AC is the ladder whose length is root over 34 meters and its mass is 10 kg. It is leaning against a smooth vertical wall AB. Foot of the ladder is C. It is 3 meters away from the wall. Therefore, BC is equal to 3 meters. Reaction of the floor is equal to FF and that of the wall is equal to FW. We are required to find the ratio FW by FF. We can use G is equal to 10 meters per second square. The options are given in the question. We are required to find the correct option. Now for the solution. We have retained the options and the data given in the question. AC is the ladder whose length L is equal to root over 34 meters and BC is equal to 3 meters. Let's find out the length AB. Now AB is equal to root over AC square minus BC square in the right angle triangle ABC. Now AC is equal to root 34 meters, therefore AC square is equal to 34 and BC square is equal to 3 square is equal to 9. Let us put the values. This is equal to root over 34 minus 9, which is equal to root 25, which is equal to 5 meters. Now for the forces acting on the ladder. Upward force is equal to N1 and this is the normal reaction of the floor and normal reaction of the wall is towards left and this is your N2. Towards left is equal to N2 and the weight is downwards is equal to mg, which is equal to m is equal to 10 and g is equal to 10, therefore is equal to 100 newtons. 100 newtons. And force of friction is acting towards right. So these are the forces acting on the ladder. Now the ladder is in equilibrium. Therefore, for vertical equilibrium, the upward force must be equal to the downward force. Upward force is equal to N1 and downward force is equal to mg. So N1 is equal to mg. Mark this as equation 1. Similarly, for horizontal equilibrium, force towards left should be equal to force towards right. The force towards left is N2, which should be equal to the force of friction F. Mark this as equation 2. Now we need to find the ratio FW divided by FF is equal to how much. This is what we want to find out. Now FW is the force of reaction of the wall, which is equal to N2. And due to the floor, there are two forces acting on the ladder, that is N1 and F, which act in mutually perpendicular directions. Therefore, FF should be equal to root over N1 square plus F square. And From equation 2 we have n2 is equal to f, therefore replacing f by n2, this should be equal to n1 square plus n2 square. Therefore we have the ratio fw by ff is equal to n2 and n2, it is right properly, n2 divided by root over n1 square plus n2 square. Now let us mark this as equation 3. Now we'll take moments about C. For rotational equilibrium, the clockwise moment should be equal to anti-clock moment. So at C, we have to see that clockwise moment and anti-clockwise moment should be equal. Clockwise moment is produced by weight of the ladder mg, this way. Therefore, mg into what is the perpendicular distance of this line of action of force from C, it is equal to CQ. CQ, this is equal to anti-clock moment. Anti-clock moment is produced by this N2. So N2 into what is the perpendicular distance of N2, line of action of N2 from C, that is equal to AB. And we know that CQ is equal to L by 2 cos theta, because CQ is equal to CP cos theta and CP is equal to half of the length, because P is the midpoint. Therefore, CP is equal to L by 2. L by 2 into cos theta, and N2 into AB. AB is equal to L sin theta. L and L gets cancelled, and rearranging we get N2 is equal to mg by 2 into cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. What is mg? Mg is equal to 10 into 10 is equal to 100 divided by 2 into cot theta. In right angle triangle ABC, cot theta, because angle ACB is equal to theta, therefore cot theta is equal to BC by AB, that is 3 by 5. BC by AB, 3 by 5. Now 5 into 10, 5 into 2 is equal to 10, which cancels with 1 0. This is equal to 30 newtons. So N2 is equal to 30 newtons and N1 is equal to mg, which is equal to 100 newtons. Therefore, the required ratio Fw by Ff is equal to, what is Fw? Fw, this is your N2. N2 is what? 30 divided by root over N1 square is 100 square plus N2 square, that is 30 square. Now, this 30 can be written as 3 into 10, and here in the denominator under root we have got 10 square is common to both. So, which outside comes out as 10. 10 into root over 10 square plus 3 square. 10 square is equal to 100 plus 3 square is equal to 9. And 10 and 10 gets cancelled, therefore we get 3 divided by root 109. This is the required ratio, which happens to be the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is C. So C is the correct option. C is the correct option. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching.